We are in the Suksagar Haveli in the middle of Jodhpur. In fact, not in the middle of Jodhpur, slightly outside. But what I'm going to cook today is something which I had yesterday, which I'm going to modify. If you remember, we had the chilla, which was served along with the meal. We had the dal, and we had some chutney of garlic and red chili. I'm going to take those elements, I'm going to twist it up into my own way.
The chilla has remained unchanged till now. Vineet gives it his twist, enhancing its flavor and presentation to a new level.
This dish which I'm going to make you is basically tandoori chicken in many ways. It's called a shikari murg because in olden days that's what they went. They went out, they got the wild bird or the game and they cooked it. We're going to use chicken breast here, but we're going to have it into a marinade made with black spices, the kala masala.
Vineet takes two staples of Marwar, gatte ki sabzi and shikari bhuna hua murg, and gives them a twist that transforms both dishes and leaves the palate asking for more. The table is set, the guests have arrived and are all set to try the chef's special. Kunwar Karni Singh Ji Jasol, curator at the Mehrangarh Museum, is all excited to taste Vineet's Rajasthani twist. Furniture exporter Vinod Singh Raj Purohit, along with his wife Kriti Vinod Purohit, are ready for a royal treat. Designer couple Kathy and Roberto, the gracious hosts for the evening, have spent 2 decades in Jodhpur and are no strangers to traditional Marwari flavors. Nikhilendra Singh, a well-known figure in the local foodie circuit, is a hotelier and a restaurateur. How will the guests react to Vineet's twist to their favorite dishes?
Khamangani, welcome to this beautiful Suksagar Haveli. I would like to thank Kathy and Roberto. This is their little house which they have given us for today. What we have for today is a few courses of Rajasthani food or Jodhpur food to come. We've taken the iconic dishes from your part here and tried to put it onto a plate and make it look beautiful. So once again, thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you.
We have got a grand entry. We've got these 3 beautiful children. We've got Bianca in the center, we've got Ishita and we've got Arista, who have got the first course for us. We're going to serve you the first course. First course we have a small teaser. It's going to be a kadhi. Kadhi is a yogurt soup and inside the small pieces you get is actually gulab jamun. Very nice.
Can I have one more?
The course we have now is again something which may look different, but I promise you it tastes all Rajasthani. We're having chilla. Chilla is a gram flour pancake, very classic. So hopefully, bon appetit, do tuck in and enjoy that.
What's the next course going to be?
Next course. Next course is the teaser, huh? It's a real teaser.
Another teaser.
Yes. My food is all about teasing only.
You'll be so teased by the end of it all.
This is based on a very, very classic dish. We've taken gatta, which is such an iconic Rajasthani dish, such a humble dish. Every household makes a gatta. But please, this is gatta from being myself from this part of the world. I've taken the gatta and given some respect. We put it onto a platform with something else, which hopefully will add to it. Thank you. I'll quickly explain the dish to you. On top of the plate you have a mold of rice, which is basically tomato and sev ka rice. Sev is what you have so much in Rajasthan. I've incorporated that element into the rice. So just a quick stir-fried rice with sev and tomatoes. Please, bon appetit.
The combination is very nice.
What we want to do on the show is take the classic foods of India and reinvent them and put them back to the same people who are so used to having it day in, day out.
You want me to test it yesterday and then here today?
Yeah.
And modify it.
So a lot of these things you invented today?
Yes. our last course now, the dessert course. Mango ice cream.
Wow. You know where his passion is.
This is the main course.
Okay, we'll talk him very quickly. The two panna cottas, it's like a malai. The white one is with cardamom, and the yellow one is mango and mint. Rashima threw me a challenge. She always does that to fox me. And she got me chiku. Now chiku, what do? You can't put with non-veg or the starter. So I've done a burfi out of chiku.
The chikus come out nice.
I like the
problem for
chiku
him.
dessert.
Yeah,
Chiku was
Very
nice.
nice. Yeah, it's
come on,
the
man.
winner for sure.
No, pleased with them. Very nice. So, did I rise to the occasion or did I rise to the occasion today?
You flew and you deserve this.
Oh dear me dear. Not a pagdi, is it?
My Kuvarsa. Maharaja of Jhalawar.
I never wanted to wear a pagdi. You forced me into this now. I
You
never
look
want-
very happy.
I just need some mustache now. और क्या है आज खाने के लिए?